Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and this is the product show. And in this episode of the product show, we will be doing the unboxing of the most expensive product on this channel, that is the latest 16-inch MacBook Pro. I have purchased the latest MacBook Pro 16 inches Core i7 model from iPlanet just today, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and we shall be taking a look at the features of the same. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Us in this giant box is the MacBook Pro 16 inches, the space gray model, and I bought it from iPlanet, and after the initial inspection I just got it sealed back so that I can unbox it fresh in front of you guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the box package of the latest MacBook Pro 16 inches in the space gray model. Here on the rear surface of the MacBook Pro we have certain specifications of this MacBook Pro that has been mentioned, and as you can see it says it is the 16-inch model. Yes, this is the latest Apple laptop that has been manufactured, and it has the headphone jack, it has stereo speakers, a touch bar, touch ID, it has full size backlit Magic Keyboard, it has the 2.3 gigahertz 6 core i7 processor guys. It has 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD, and the graphic card that is present on this device is the AMD Radeon Pro 5300M with a memory of 4 GB, and obviously it also has the internal graphic card as well. It has 4 Thunderbolt ports, that is 2 to the left and 2 to the right, and the price mentioned on the box is, as you can see, it is priced at around 1,99,000 rupees, which is 2 lakh rupees guys. So this is a 2 lakh rupee laptop. As you can see, this is the MacBook Pro in its space gray glory, and this is one hell of a beautiful laptop guys. And we have the bill that was produced by the iPlanet store, and I'll be giving the address of this particular store in the description guys. If you're purchasing any Apple product, may it be an iPhone, it may be MacBook, it may be iPads, Apple Watch, or anything else, you can visit this store. The links and the address for this particular store will be in the description. As you can see, this is the cable that we'll get. This is actually a USB Type-C cable itself guys, but Apple calls it a Thunderbolt 3 cable, which is their proprietary name that they give, designed by Apple in California, documentation and other things. The most important thing that any Apple fan would be caring about is this one, the space gray Apple stickers. Here we have the most powerful charging brick on the planet. This is the Apple's proprietary charging brick that comes with the MacBook Pro 16 inches. So guys, as you can see, this is the Apple's proprietary charging brick that they produce, that they provide for the MacBook Pro to charge. It has the USB Type-C port. You can connect this Thunderbolt 3 port to here. Thunderbolt 3 and USB Type-C are one and the same guys. And if you can see over here, the charging brick capacity is 96 watt. You can't beat this. This is 96 watt power adapter guys, and the laptop also packs in a 100 watt hour battery guys, which is insane. Highest amount of battery that you can carry on a plane is what Apple has packed with this beast of a machine. And as we all know, once we open the lid, the MacBook starts booting up. There you go. And as you can see, this is the latest keyboard that they have incorporated on this model. Previously it had a lot of complaints with this keyboard, and this is the same keyboard that you can find on any iMac or the iMac Pro devices, which we call it as the Magic keyboard. And the previous keyboard was called as the Butterfly keyboard, guys. And again, the screen size of this laptop is 16 inches, guys. Previously the 15 inches model screen size was 15.4 inches. It was not actually exactly 15 inches. The 15.4 inches model was called the 15-inch model, and the 13-inch model was also present, but this particular laptop is the exact 16-inch model, and it has a resolution of 3072 cross 1920, which is actually kind of near to 4K, but it's not 4K. It is an IPS display, guys, and this keyboard is a backlit keyboard. And also we have the trackpad, which is made up of glass. For people who do not know, this is actually made up of glass, guys, and this is the largest keyboard that you can find on any laptop in the world. So as you guys can see, I have booted onto the laptop itself. So as you guys can see, this is the MacBook Pro that is running on the latest Mac OS Catalina, and I've already updated it, and we still have a couple of updates that is present on this laptop, which is showing on the top of the screen. If you guys can see, let me go to the storage first. And out of the 512 gigabyte of SSD, we have around 473.3 GB left. I'll be using this laptop thoroughly for a week or so, and then I'll be coming up with a full in-depth review of this laptop. So if you guys have still not subscribed to my channel, you have to hit that subscribe button, because we bring such amazing kind of videos on our channel related to all kind of technology stuff. And as usual, the screen quality on any Apple laptops are absolutely brilliant. The brightness levels are extremely great. You can adjust the brightness from the the touch bar itself. And another brilliant thing Apple has made with this particular model is that they have given a specific escape key. So this is the escape key, and this is the touch bar, guys. As you can see, this is the touch bar, and this is the escape key, and this is the touch ID button. And previously touch bar used to be one single bar that is present at the top, which had all the features like the function key, the escape key, the touch ID, the Siri, everything. But creators asked for a separate escape key, and Apple was like, okay, cool, here you go, you have the escape key. So this is a separate escape key, guys. In case you are in any window, you just want to press on escape, here you go, you have the escape key. And the touch ID on this Apple laptop is also brilliant. It is powered by the Apple's latest T2 security chip, and it works absolutely fine, just like any touch ID on any Apple phone, like iPhones or iPads, etc. And this is the touch ID, guys. As you can see, this is the touch ID that is present at the right top corner. Let me go ahead and lock the device and show you guys. Lock screen. So guys, as you can see, the screen is now locked. I just have to use my touch ID registered finger over here, just touch it, and my MacBook is locked. So another thing that comes with this laptop is the dual speaker setup that is present at this two sides. It has a set of 6 speakers, that is 3 on this side and 3 on this side, and it also has the force cancelling subwoofers that is present on this laptop itself, so which gives the sound effects something like this. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. As you guys just heard, that is the quality of the sound that comes out of the speakers of the MacBook Pro 16 inches, guys. Initial impressions are, yes, it is absolutely brilliant for a speaker of a laptop, but I can't say that it could be a replacement of any regular speaker or something. So as you guys can see, this is the trackpad that is present on the Apple laptop, and the trackpads on any Apple laptops are made up of glass, if you guys didn't know about it. And there are a lot of gestures like a 4-finger gesture, 3-finger gesture, opening several different apps using several different gestures. I'll explore more about the gestures on the Apple laptops, and I'll make a specific video about the gestures on any Apple laptops. And as you guys can see, this is the inverted T keyboard that is present on the latest edition of the MacBook Pros, and this is the new edition, guys. And the keyboards, I felt the butterfly keyboards on the MacBook Pro 15 inches to be not so bad as much as the reviewers and the community scolded it. The 15-inch MacBook Pro's butterfly keyboard was okay, it was good enough. I don't find laptop keyboards to be great, to be honest. I'm a mechanical keyboard user for a very long time, and I do not actually find the Apple MacBook Pro keyboards or any other laptop keyboards to be great, to be precise. So I just feel like the Magic Keyboard is, yeah, it's good. It's just there and it just does the purpose. And there are certain set of features that is specific to a MacBook. Like you can charge this particular MacBook Pro on any of the ports that is present. These are the two Thunderbolt 3 ports that is present on the left side of the MacBook. These are the two Thunderbolt 3 ports that is present on the right side of the MacBook Pro. It also has the headphone jack. Yes, I don't know when would Apple be getting rid of the headphone jack from the MacBooks. For a laptop, it is actually really heavy, but the build quality of this laptop is absolutely great. You have no doubts about it. This is the best built on any Apple laptop or any laptop for that sake. What's the weather in Bangalore?
Looks like nice weather coming up today, up to 26 degrees.
So guys, that is pretty much it for the unboxing and first impressions of the latest MacBook Pro 16 inches space gray 512GB model. And as you guys can see, this is a laptop which takes a lot of exploration and it takes a lot of use to come up with the full in-depth review. So stay tuned to my channel to see the full in-depth review of the same. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel for more interesting updates ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.